Did you know that the average person can recognize about 1,000 different food smells? That's more than double the number of smells we can identify for other everyday things.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to ChillTalk English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Henry. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your favorite foods in English.
Why is this important? Well, food is universal. It connects all of us. Being able to describe what you eat, express your preferences, and understand others' food choices will help you connect with people from all over the world. Whether you're traveling, making new friends, or just ordering at a restaurant, these phrases will make your conversations more delicious.
Think of learning food vocabulary like stocking your kitchen pantry. Each new phrase is an ingredient that helps you create more satisfying conversations. Just as a good meal brings people together, good food language helps you build relationships across cultures. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Remember, even the best chefs started by learning basic recipes.
Last month, I was trying to explain my favorite dessert to someone from another country, and I got so mixed up with the words that I ended up saying, I like the cold sweet thing with milk instead of ice cream. We both had a good laugh, but I realized how important it is to know the right words.
That's so relatable, Emma. When I first traveled abroad, I couldn't explain that I was allergic to nuts properly. I ended up just pointing at my throat and shaking my head. Definitely not the ideal way to communicate. Today, we'll teach you practical, easy-to-use phrases for talking about all kinds of foods, so you won't find yourself in situations like ours.
If you find this helpful, please like our video, share it with friends learning English, and subscribe to our channel for more tasty lessons.
Scene 1. At a cafe. In our first scene, Emma and I will be at a cafe. I'll play the role of customer Mark, and Emma will play cafe staff Anna.
Let's begin.
Good morning. I'd like to order breakfast, please.
Good morning. What would you like to have?
What do you recommend for breakfast?
Our pancakes are very popular. They're fluffy and served with maple syrup.
That sounds delicious. I love sweet breakfast foods.
Do you like eggs? Our omelet is also very good.
Yes, I like eggs, but I prefer something sweet in the morning.
I understand. We also have French toast with berries.
That's my favorite. I'll have the French toast, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like coffee or tea with that?
Coffee, please. I always drink coffee in the morning.
How do you take your coffee?
I take it with milk and a little sugar, please.
Anything else for you?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your breakfast will be ready soon.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown.
Excellent. Now, let's explain some key phrases.
First, what do you recommend is a useful way to ask for suggestions. For example, what do you recommend for breakfast?
Next, that sounds delicious is a great way to respond when someone describes food. Like in our dialogue, that sounds delicious. You can also say, that sounds tasty, or that sounds good.
Another useful phrase is, I love sweet breakfast foods. This helps you express your preferences. For example, I love spicy food, or I love fresh vegetables.
We also used, I prefer something sweet. Prefer means you like one thing more than another. For example, I prefer tea to coffee, or I prefer fruit for dessert.
Finally, that's my favorite is how you express something you really like. For example, that's my favorite dish, or chocolate is my favorite flavor.
Guided practice.
Now, let's practice some of these phrases. Repeat after me. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
That sounds delicious.
That sounds delicious.
I love sweet breakfast foods.
I love sweet breakfast foods.
I prefer something sweet.
I prefer something sweet.
That's my favorite.
That's my favorite.
How do you take your coffee?
How do you take your coffee?
Excellent. Now, try using these phrases when talking about your own food preferences. Scene 2. At a market. For our second scene, Emma and I will be at a fresh food market. I'll play the role of shopper Lisa, and Henry will play market vendor John.
Let's begin.
Good morning. These apples look fresh. How much are they?
Good morning. They're $2 per pound. Would you like to try one?
Yes, please. This is sweet and juicy. I'll take 2 pounds.
Excellent choice. What other fruits are you looking for today?
I need some bananas. Do you have ripe ones?
Yes, these bananas are perfect. They're yellow and ready to eat.
Great, I'll take a bunch. What about strawberries? Are they in season?
Yes, these strawberries are very fresh today. They're sweet and red.
Perfect. I love strawberries. They're my favorite fruit for dessert.
I agree. They're delicious. Would you like to try some cheese with your fruit?
That's a good idea. What kind of cheese do you recommend?
This cheddar cheese is very popular. It's sharp and tasty. I prefer soft cheese. Do you have brie?
Yes, we have brie. It's creamy and mild.
Perfect. I'll take some brie cheese. How much is everything together?
Let me see. 2 pounds of apples are $4. Bananas are $2. Strawberries are $5. And brie cheese is $6. That's $17 altogether.
Here you go. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your fresh food.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown.
Great market conversation. Now, let's explain some key phrases.
First, how much are they is essential when shopping for food. For example, how much are these apples? Or, how much is this cheese?
Next, would you like to try one? Is a common offer at food markets. Like in our dialogue, would you like to try one? You can also say, would you like a sample?
Another useful phrase is they're sweet and juicy. This helps you describe food. For example, the watermelon is sweet and juicy, or these oranges are juicy.
We also used, are they in season? This asks if food is fresh and available now. Like, are strawberries in season? Or, is this fruit in season?
Finally, what kind of cheese do you recommend? Is how you ask for suggestions about specific types of food. For example, what kind of bread do you recommend? Or, what kind of tea do you recommend?
Guided practice.
Now, let's practice these new phrases. Repeat after me. How much are they?
How much are they?
Would you like to try one?
Would you like to try one?
They're sweet and juicy.
They're sweet and juicy.
Are they in season?
Are they in season?
What kind of cheese do you recommend?
What kind of cheese do you recommend?
I prefer soft cheese.
I prefer soft cheese.
Great job! Now, try using these phrases when shopping for food.
Scene 3. At a restaurant.
For our third scene, Emma and I will be at a restaurant. I'll play the role of waiter David, and Emma will play customer Sarah.
Let's begin.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I'd like to ask about the menu. What is the chef's special today?
Today's special is grilled salmon with vegetables. It's very popular.
That sounds good. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy. It's seasoned with herbs and lemon.
Perfect. I don't like very spicy food. What do you recommend for a main course?
Besides the salmon, our chicken pasta is very good. It's creamy and has mushrooms.
I love chicken. How is it cooked?
The chicken is grilled, not fried. It's healthier that way.
That sounds delicious. I'll have the chicken pasta, please.
Excellent choice. Would you like a salad with that?
Yes, please. What kind of dressings do you have?
We have ranch, Italian, and vinaigrette.
I'll have the vinaigrette, please. It's lighter.
Good choice. And what would you like to drink?
Do you have fresh juice?
Yes, we have orange, apple, and carrot juice.
I'll have orange juice, please. It's my favorite.
Perfect. Anything else for you?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your food will be ready soon.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown.
Excellent restaurant conversation. Now, let's explain some key phrases.
First, what is the chef's special today is how you ask about the special dish of the day. For example, what is the chef's special today? Or, what's the special today?
Next, is it spicy? Is important when you want to know about the flavor. Like in our dialogue, is it spicy? You can also ask, is it sweet or is it salty?
Another useful phrase is, what do you recommend for a main course? This helps you get suggestions for different parts of the meal. For example, what do you recommend for dessert? Or, what do you recommend for an appetizer?
We also used, how is it cooked? This asks about the preparation method, like, how is the chicken cooked? Or, how is the fish prepared?
Finally, what kind of dressings do you have? Is how you ask about options for salads or other foods. For example, what kind of sauces do you have? Or, what kind of toppings do you have?
Guided practice. Now, let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. What is the chef's special today?
What is the chef's special today?
Is it spicy?
Is it spicy?
What do you recommend for a main course?
What do you recommend for a main course?
How is it cooked?
How is it cooked?
What kind of dressings do you have?
What kind of dressings do you have?
I'll have the vinaigrette, please.
I'll have the vinaigrette, please.
Perfect. Now, try using these phrases when ordering at a restaurant.
Scene 4. At a dinner party.
For our final scene, Henry and I will be at a dinner party. I'll play the role of host Maria, and Henry will play guest Tom.
Let's begin.
Tom, please help yourself to more food. How do you like the pasta?
It's delicious. This is the best pasta I've ever tasted.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it. What's your favorite type of pasta?
I love all kinds of pasta, but spaghetti is my favorite.
Do you usually cook pasta at home?
Yes, I cook simple meals. I'm not very good at cooking, but I try.
Everyone can learn to cook. What kind of foods do you like to eat?
I love Italian food. Pizza, pasta, and risotto are my favorites.
I enjoy Italian food too. Do you like spicy food?
Not too spicy. I prefer mild flavors. What about you?
I enjoy spicy food sometimes. Thai food is my favorite when I want something spicy.
I've never tried Thai food. Is it very spicy?
Some dishes are spicy, but you can ask them to make it mild. You should try it sometime.
I'd like to try it. What's your favorite Thai dish?
I love pad thai. It's sweet, sour, and a little spicy. It's delicious.
That sounds interesting. I'll try it next time I go to a Thai restaurant.
Great. Would you like some more pasta?
Yes, please. It's so good, I can't stop eating it.
I'm happy you like it. There's dessert too, if you have space.
What kind of dessert did you make?
I made tiramisu. It's an Italian dessert with coffee and mascarpone cheese.
I love tiramisu. It's my favorite dessert.
Perfect. I'll bring some for you.
Vocabulary and phrase breakdown.
Wonderful dinner party conversation. Now, let's explain some key phrases.
First, please help yourself to more food is a polite way to offer more food. For example, please help yourself to more food or help yourself to some more.
Next, this is the best pasta I've ever tasted is a strong compliment about food. Like in our dialogue, this is the best pasta I've ever tasted. You can also say, this is delicious, or this tastes amazing.
Another useful phrase is, what's your favorite type of pasta? This helps you learn about others' preferences. For example, what's your favorite type of food? Or what's your favorite fruit?
We also used, I'm not very good at cooking, but I try. This is a humble way to talk about your cooking skills. Like, I'm not very good at cooking, but I try. Or, I'm learning to cook.
Finally, I'd like to try it expresses interest in trying new food. For example, I'd like to try it, or I'd love to try that dish.
Guided practice. Now, let's practice these final phrases. Repeat after me.
Please help yourself to more food.
Please help yourself to more food.
This is the best pasta I've ever tasted.
This is the best pasta I've ever tasted.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I'm not very good at cooking, but I try. I'm not very good at cooking, but I try. I'd like to try it.
I'd like to try it.
What's your favorite Thai dish?
What's your favorite Thai dish?
Excellent work! Now try using these phrases when talking about food with friends.
Okay, everyone, let's quickly recap what we've learned so far.
We've covered useful phrases for talking about food in different situations.
We learned how to ask for recommendations with what do you recommend and what kind of do you recommend.
We also practiced describing food with phrases like, it's sweet and juicy, and this is the best I've ever tasted.
And we learned how to express preferences with I prefer and my favorite is.
Remember, these phrases will help you talk about food confidently in cafes, markets, restaurants, and social situations.
In the next part, we'll continue with more food-related conversations and vocabulary.
Listener challenge.
Now it's time for your challenge. We want you to write a sentence in the comments below describing your favorite food. You could say something like, my favorite food is, or I love because, or I prefer to.
We'll read some of your answers in our next episode, so don't be shy. We can't wait to learn about your favorite foods from around the world.
To wrap up, today we learned easy phrases for talking about your favorite foods in English.
We practiced in 4 different scenarios: at a cafe, at a market, at a restaurant, and at a dinner party.
Remember, food is a universal language that connects people. Being able to talk about food helps you connect with others and share your culture.
Thank you for joining us on ChillTalk English today.
Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious lessons.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.